This is me, and this could be your loved one or even you. Well, this is the setup I did for Valentine's Day, and these are my gifts. You like it? Anyways, this is all fake. These are my clothes, these are my things. I just set them up. I just came here to show you how you can do a Valentine setup for your loved one or for yourself to pepper people who don't really care about you. These are the things you need: balloons, ribbons, and gum and the likes. I'm not yet sure, but by the time I'm sure, you will know. Another thing that you need that is very important is accomplice. If you don't have accomplices to help you in this mission, you might just be frustrated. So these are my accomplices. Say hi. Hello. Aha. Hi. Hi. So we are the people that are going to be blowing these balloons for today. All right, let's go. Madam, stand up. So we started blowing balloons. We blew and blew and blew and blew. These balloons we bought them at I forgot how much it is, but a pack of balloons is about 2,500 or 3,000 or 4,000, maybe depending on where you get it from. But between 2,000 and 4,000 is where you get a pack of balloons. No, we didn't get a pack. We got like maybe half pack or even quarter. I don't know. But we kept blowing, and now we're done blowing. We're putting UHU gum right now. Just put the UHU gum lavishly on the balloons and stick it to the ceiling. So that's what we're going to be doing. No, we didn't have lots of balloons because it's a fake life something, so we didn't get as much balloons that would go around. But depending on the size of your ceiling, I would advise you to go for like 2, 3 packs and above to fill your ceiling. But we just did a very tiny portion because the work was stressful. So and it's fake life, so there's no need trying to put as many balloons as possible. So we put the gum on the balloon and just stick it to the ceiling. Hold it so that it stays. If you don't hold it, it will not stay. So we kept doing it until we're done. This right here is what the setup looks like by the time we're done. Balloons, balloons. Looks beautiful, right? So yes, we couldn't feel the ceiling for obvious reasons. I went ahead to do my makeup because we need to do a fake surprise. I went ahead to carry this old box of mine where I keep condemned jewelries or jewelries I can't find the other years and started to arrange money inside. I arranged the money inside, but the money I didn't have enough money that could fill the box, and I was not about to go and be looking for money for what. I decided to just make do what I had. I said, okay, let me fold this money into rolls or roll it and see how I can just arrange it. I thought I'd be able to use my hand to hold it and all that, but it didn't work. The other way to have done it was to use a ribbon to tie it, and to be honest, I don't have strength. If I was doing it for someone to have more fulfilling, but for no reason, no. I went ahead to put this red cloth right here, hoping that it will sit properly, but it gave us the full box illusion, but it didn't sit. So I went ahead to introduce these 2 sachets of water, and lo and behold, it did the job. By the time I finished arranging it, it looked like a box full of money. Meanwhile, at the end of the day, what was even there itself was not even of more than 10K or thereabouts. But anyways, it sat pretty and was beautiful, and it gave us the illusion that the box was full of money. As you can see, next thing I got was a cream ribbon because I couldn't lay my hands on white. So I used a cream ribbon to tie it. I first of all turned the box upside down so that the knot would be in front. So I tied it, twisted it, twisted it, twisted it, turned it, yes, and I tied it. Make sure everything was in middle, all arranged and clean. Yeah, so I tied it. Next item on the list, start arranging all the gifts we're going to be putting. So I'm going to pick all the gifts. I got these 2 dresses. They are my dresses. I just couldn't wear them because one of them, the back is open, the other one, the front is open. I don't know, for whatever reason, I just not been able to wear it. But at least it's useful now. And yeah, I'm going to arrange it. Finally, I removed one of the dresses because for whatever reason, it didn't look good. So we thought we'll remove it and arrange other things, boxes, bags, jewelry, and that was it. So by the time we finished arranging it, this right here is what the complete setup looks like. And then I went to change for the fake surprise. So we had to go out, turn off the light. Came in from the other side into the dark room, pretending as if I was making a call, and turned on the light. At this point, we were supposed to shout surprise, but we forgot. So when you're doing fake life, sometimes you'll meet something. So I went straight for the gift. I dropped my ATM card because that's my personal card, but I pretended as if it was a note or something. I dropped it off, and then I opened the first box while pretending to be surprised. It was a money box. I'm like, oh my god, whoa, And then I went ahead to open the perfume box. One annoying perfume like that, but well, it's a gift. And then that's a pack of tie, male tie, but I'm not allowed to see the content, but it's tie. And that's the pack of flags I got from a souvenir at a wedding. Oh, so cool. That's my handbag that I hardly use because it's white. That's my mother's new handbag that she just got, but I decided to make it useful. And those are my earrings. I've not gotten to wear the earrings. I don't know why, but I've had it for quite a while. Wow, this dress is lovely. Oh, thank you so much. Love you. And the fake surprise is over. Am I a good actor?
Still, just act. Just be acting surprised. I want to capture the balloon.
Surprise, surprise. Oh my god, this is lovely. Wow, my picture. This is a picture of me. So beautiful. Thank you.
Laughter not the topic.
What else is this? It's fake laughter now. Next, I started throwing balloons in the air and trying to take several pictures. I took loads and loads of pictures. I'll show you my camera roll in a bit. But this video is just to tell you that just in case somewhere in your left chest you want to surprise yourself with a fake surprise, or you just want to impress and show them and pepper your village people, even though they may not see the post or don't really care about you, but because of your quest for fake life, this right here is something you can do. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.